Hey guys, Eric Sue here. Hope you're doing well. Hey, listen, I've got another awesome video here for you guys because I've got something fun for you, and it's some LED lights. So stay tuned. Alright, you guys, if you're new to the channel, welcome. I know you guys will get a lot of value out of this, and remember to smash the like button, hit the subscribe button and notification button so you can get future videos just like this. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. I know you guys will get a lot of value out of this one, just like all the other ones. So let's get right to it. Okay, so today I want to talk about this right here. This is the LED strip lights from Nexilliumi. Okay, and this is the 65.6 foot version. It's basically two 32.8 foot ones that come in this box right here. And I'm going to do a quick unboxing to show you what's inside this right here. Okay, alright, so it comes in really nice packaging. It came in like 2 days from Amazon. And let's hear what we got in here. Alright. So we've got a great little, let's see, thank you right in the front here. Okay, you guys can see that. Okay. And so what it says in here is that there's a free replacement within 365 days of purchase date. If I receive a defective product or have problems using it, they will resolve it efficiently. Just contact them. Okay, and this is the support contact information right here. Okay, so I'll make sure I keep this box around. I'll make sure I get that email down. Okay, so what's in the box? All right, first thing I see here is a little card about how to install this item. Okay, very good. Next thing I get is a card about the replacement. Okay, pretty good. Let's see here, another card about installation. It's called the key points of installation. Okay, very good. So this is pretty unique, and it's how would you say, very user friendly according to their description here. And here's the manual, by the way, so all the information you would need on how to install. It says it has an all-inclusive kit, an additional handy LED strips for mount, has an additional handy LED strip mounting accessories. So if you are looking to put it around this room, for example, that have mounting accessories, strip hooks, adhesive back, let's see, it says it has 20 LED strip hooks with strong 3M back adhesive for planning the route of your strip. Let's see here, it has a 4-pin 10mm corner friendly LED strip connectors. And so if you're looking to go around this edge and then there's a corner, they have these friendly LED strip connectors. Let's see, alright, besides that they have awesome little remote here. We can play around with that to control the lights. Okay, let's see, what else is this? Alright, I'm not sure what this piece is, but this is also in the box. I think these are connector strips somehow. Okay. Let's see here. Alright, what else we got here? Alright, we got the power source right here. Okay. It is a let's see, 12 volt output. Okay, 12 volt output. Regular standard output with a, I think it's 3.5. Yep, 3.5. Right on this side. Okay. Alright. Okay, so it has these right here, which are, I believe these are, this would be the adhesive strips right here. Okay, so those you should hang it up on the side of the wall. You're going to use these to adhesive to the wall. Okay, and here is the LED strips. Comes in two of these circles, just like that, two of them. Okay, pretty cool, awesome. All right, and all right, it's got the. It also has these. These would be called, I believe, tie downs, I believe, or something like that, right? Okay. Let's see here. Also have. All right, you guys. So within this little pack here, these are strip connectors, a strip hook with back adhesive connectors here, and this right here within the pack were these guys right here. You can see these guys. Okay. These guys right here are called the 4-pin LED strip connectors. Okay. All right. So if you want a rundown of parts, okay, we've got right here the LED strip hooks. Right here you guys have the LED strip hooks with back adhesives. Inside that pack we had these guys right here, which are the 4-pin, okay, 4-pin LED strip connectors. Okay, the 4-pin LED connectors. Okay, we got 4 of them. There's a few more that we have in here. I'm thinking like 4 of these will get you guys 4 corners if you're doing corners of the room. So you know, let's see, if you're going up, so this is one corner. If you're going up, you got 1 corner, 2 corners. If you go around the corners, the bottom, and then the other side. So if you want to do a full corner, all those, you could do that. And then you have your remote. We showed you that. We have your LED strip lights. Okay. And we showed you the LED strip controller, this white piece right here, and then the power supply right here. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So we have every piece that we need to put this together. It looks pretty straightforward. Okay. All right. Let's go ahead and test this out, and we'll show you what it looks like. Alright, you guys, I am back, and I turned off my backlight so that you could see these guys light up. And what's really cool here is that they marked these ends here. So this end right here, and these ends right here. I don't know if you can see it. There's a little white arrow right in here, and there's a little black arrow. Well, this is black and white, and so the arrow should line up. And when I do that and put it together, you can see lighten up. Okay. If I let's see here, color. So I was going to say, if I put it back here, see it lit up. Change it to colors here. So we'll put it back here. You can see different colors. I put it in demo mode so you could see these LEDs here. You guys see that? So if I put this, just say, unravel this a little bit here. Put this on here. Can you guys see that? Those lights? Let me turn this down here a little bit here. Let me turn off some of the lights. Alright, so you can see the strip lights right there. Okay. Alright, so these lights definitely work, and maybe I'll show you guys something that I'll put together, but for now you can see that they work right here. It's in a demo mode here. The remote control, let's see what that does here. So let's break this open real quick here. For the most part, I think as long as you can set these up where you want them, you're good to go. Let's see what we can do here. This remote here is supposed to, let's see, turn it off. Okay, so apparently you got to make sure the sensor hits this thing. So there you go. Hit the sensor, done, off. Hit the sensor, on. Okay, so that's how that works. And then we can do, let's see here, change the mode, change the mode, change the mode. Let's see here, let's do good. We can do change the color blue. We can change the color, let's go yellow. So I'm going to push this yellow button right here, for example, right here, yellow. Let's see if it works. Yellow, there you go. Let's do red. Red, there you go. Okay, so you can do those colors. I'll play around with it, but for the most part, this thing does work. You can go brightness. Bring it up. Let's do red. So you can really raise it up, raise it down. See that? There you go. Raise it up. Excellent. Alright, you guys, so I got the LED strip lights there. I downloaded the app here, and I'm going ahead and they have different specific modes here. One is called adjust the regular lights, as you can see here. Another one is called the style, so they have different, let's just say I'm going to change from red gradual change to green. It says right here, so it has that option here. So basically there's a scrolling option here. You can change whatever you want. Right here is pretty cool. And then the fun one is the music one. Now what's interesting is that you cannot use Spotify or any of the popular music apps to play the music. So what you need to do is, according to them, is download music files onto your phone, and then use your phone, and then you can have the synchronizing music here. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and shut this off. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and push. There's a music button on one of these right here. Okay, and actually I'm going to go ahead. You can either hit this remote to turn on the LEDs for the music, or I'm going to see if I could do this. Hit this music app here and turn it on. Okay, it didn't turn on. Okay, so you got to turn one of these on. So I'm going to hit number 1, and let's see if this works. Okay, no it didn't. Okay, so I'm going to hit number 2. Let's see if this works. Okay, no it didn't. So what I'm going to do is turn it on. Okay, so turned it on, and now I'm going to hit the music. Okay. And there are different other music on here. And if I stop the music, oops, if I stop the music light strips light stop. Okay, so I've yet to download some music on my iPhone, so I'll have to do that a little bit later. So for the most part, it's pretty cool. You must get the app to have different functions. So let's just say I wanted to go back to the adjust the light color here. See, I can pick a different color. There are preset colors. Let's say I want to use red right now, so I'm going to push red, and it's red. So this app here, the adjust the color is good. I already did the different style. Just played the music. This is the mic one. So if I'm using the mic here, this is my voice, and my voice is changing the color. So it's picking up my voice, as you can see here, and it changes the color in the background. So it could be fun if you're singing and you're doing something with music or something. So that might be cool. Okay, and so it is picking up a little noise, so that's why it's moving a lot. We'll see if I can turn it to 0. Okay, it went down to 0. Or bring it up, and it's back up. And so yeah, you can use your voice to control the music as well. Okay, so again, down to 0. So basically what I did is I switched it to the external mic, and it's 0 sensitivity down here. If I bring it all the way up and then put it back up onto the phone, I don't know if you saw that, but it changes there. And so that's how that works. And the last thing you could do here is you could schedule the time as to when these lights go on. Okay, so alright, let's see if it turns off. See if it turns off. Hopefully it turns off. Alright, 7:32, it turned off. Awesome. Alright, so if you guys like this video, go ahead and like and subscribe. Hit the notification button so you can get future videos just like this. And we'll see you in the next one. Bye.